pickleball set, only $50. This is the Monarch, okay? So it is a smaller size net than a regulation pickleball court, but amazing for your driveway.
Perfectly fits in our driveway.
Came with a carrying case, the poles, it all folds up and fits in the case.
Super easy for storage. It came with two rackets
and two balls. And they're wooden rackets, just to note. When I played on a real pickleball
Really
court,
nice grip,
I've used
it's
graphic,
comfortable.
but this is perfect for something you're gonna do in your driveway. So the net's amazing, stays up by itself. You can bounce the ball, or we've even played with volleying.
Yep, it's
So if you
super
want to
fun,
volley,
whatever you
we'll just
want.
show you what it looks like volleying. Perfect. Okay, now let's show you.
can also
the
play
bounce.
original
So again, in your
pickleball.
driveway, as you know the pickleball rules, you can't go in the kitchen, do all the real things. But a great way to teach your kids how to play, and it's awesome. And we also bought 2 extra rackets so we can play doubles. So this is a amazing driveway pickleball set from Monarch.
And it's so
I bought it at
fun.
Dick's Sporting Goods, but there's some on Amazon. You can look anywhere. And this
Super
is the
easy
Monarch.
to set up and take apart for whenever you want to
So
put
an
it away.
amazing $50 driveway activity for pickleball. On the go pickleball. See ya.
Bye.